Hi friends, welcome back. So I'm here with 10 best courses which you can take online to excel on your VLSI career. And the best part is that all these 10 courses are available for free and they are taught by the best professor of this world. And moreover, you can apply for optional certificates from IITs. Hi, I'm Rajdeep and currently I'm working with Intel as design automation engineer, and also just recently I have finished my masters from IIT Delhi. So you don't need to go through these all 10 courses, only 2 or 3 courses will do your work, and I'll tell you throughout this video which courses you must do. And for all of you whose interview are scheduled very soon, for them also I'll tell you how you can quickly finish at least 2 courses before your interview. And don't miss out on bonus tips which I'll share in the last of this video, so stay tuned. So I'll start with analog domain. The issue with analog domain is that these courses take time. Why? Because you need to practice the questions also, so it will take little time. So if your interview are scheduled very soon, then you can skip this analog part if you are not prepared for analog domain and you are preparing only for digital domain. If you are preparing for digital domain, then you must finish at least 1 course from analog domain. Why? Because they may ask you from analog also, because currently there is nothing digital or analog separate. We mostly work on mixed signal domain, so you need to have little knowledge about analog domain. So this first course is must do for if you are a UG people, and for PG people also it's must do, only if you have time, your interview is not scheduled very soon. So this course is taken by IIT Delhi professor, and it is very good course. Why? Because here they directly start from CMOS design. They don't waste your time with BGT design. Most of the analog course, what they do, they tend to deal half of the course for BGT and half of the course for MOSFET. But for job perspective, right now MOSFET is most important. BGT maximum rarely they ask question on BGT. So why to waste your time on learning BGT for now, as we are preparing for interview. So this course is must if you have time to your interview, and if you are preparing for analog domain, and also if you are from UG. Then next 2 courses, you can do one of these 2 courses. Both the courses are not recommended because both the course teach you the same syllabus, and this is especially who are only preparing for analog domain. If you are preparing for digital domain, then these 2 courses you can skip. Only first course you can do, and from these courses, first one is by famous professor Rajavi, and second one is offered by IIT Madras. Both are very good course, but if you want my suggestion, then I'll tell you go with Rajavi course, because he make the course interesting. And having a knowledge on analog domain is really a plus point, because there is a scarcity of skilled analog engineer. Opportunity are also less, but as the skilled person are less, so if you are skilled in analog, then nobody can beat you getting a job in VLSI industry, where digital have lot of competitions. And every week I release one video to help you on your VLSI interview. So why don't you subscribe? As statistics said, more than 70% of you are not subscribed to my channel. It's free, so you can subscribe and give me motivation to keep on making videos. So in digital domain, the first course is offered by IIT Madras, and out of all these 10 courses, if you tell me which is your best course, then this is my best course, because the instructor is awesome. He take up this course so nicely, and you can go through this course as quickly as in 12 days only. Like what I did, my trick, I watch every video in around 1.75x of playback speed. By this you can finish it in 12 to 15 days. And this is a must do course if your interview scheduled very soon, and you are preparing for a digital domain, then you must do this course, because this course also lay the foundation stone for all the VLSI MOSFET design. Coming to next, this is hardware modeling using Verilog, and this is also one important course and must do course if your interview is scheduled very soon and you are preparing for digital domain. And if your interview are very soon, then you don't need to see all the 42 lecture. You just need to watch first 24 or 25 lecture. Those lecture those lectures cover all the basics you need for the interview. And then if you have the time, then you can continue for all the 42 lectures. And this course is offered by IIT Kharagpur. And next course is a basic digital design course. So if you are applying directly from UG, then this is a must do course for you. But if you are from postgraduate, then I hope you already have this knowledge, so you can quickly brush up through this knowledge in 2x speed, and it will may take your 4 or 5 days, but I hope you already have this basic design knowledges. Then coming to our last 4 courses, this 6th course, which is physical VLSI design. And if your interview is scheduled very soon, this is not a requirement, you can do it for other time. But if you have time and you are looking for a design domain job, so you can take up this course to know all the flow and how the design are done in physical domain, like in layout form. Our next 3 courses are optional. They are not required for your interview, but they are very much needed for your if you want to grow in your VLSI industry. So first course is your architecture design of digital integrated circuit. So as name suggests, they will brief you, or they will deal in depth with how the architecture are designed, and this is the advanced knowledge you must need if you want promotion, quick promotion in digital domain. And prerequisite for this course is that you must have knowledge of Verilog. Going to next course, your multi-core computer architecture design. And I don't need to explain much, name suggest everything what they are going to teach you. Then last course is one interesting course, because in present scenario when we are dealing with AI and we are thinking like that AI is the future. So in hardware, because AI need to run on some hardware, and if you want to design that hardware, then how to design that. And in this course, the name of this course is C-based VLSI design. So why C-based? See, whenever you do any design, what traditional people do, they do the RTL coding, they write the algorithm in Verilog, and then they synthesize in gate level, and then they do the physical design. But in this course, what they are trying to do, they're trying to do the algorithm on C, and from C automatically generate the RTL. And why C? Because you can write easily those AI algorithm or machine learning algorithm on C. So that's why this course is best course if you want to in future, if you want to build the hardware for your AI and machine learning. And currently I am going through these courses, and yeah, it's really interesting. So now time is for bonus tips. So before that, let me summarize quickly. You need to do mainly 3 courses. One analog course, basic course offered by IIT Delhi, then IC design, and then Verilog course. These 3 courses are must if your interview scheduled very soon, and regardless of your analog or digital domain, because these 3 will give you the must needed knowledge for all these 2 domains. And then if you have time, you can go for other courses, and you can take up the physical design course. That is a really good course going forward. In bonus tips, see, currently we are actually research are going on very highly on how to design efficient memory, semiconductor memory devices. So if you have a little knowledge on semiconductor memory design, then it's a very plus point. And all these courses don't deal with exclusively about memory design. So what you can do, have the basic knowledge. Like what the basic knowledge they are, like if you want to design a SRAM cell, then how the SRAM cell is working. Then your SRAM cell has a decoder also, your column decoder and row decoder, what are their work. Below you will have sense amplifier, what's the need of their sense amplifier. So this all thing you need to know, and how to know that thing, for that you can refer to this book. And this is a very good book. I hope you already know heard about this book. It is by Rave. And actually your digital IC course, everything he taught there are from this course only. So if you are very serious about your digital domain, then you please buy the hard copy of this book, and online also available, soft copies are also available. So for memory, to have the definition of memory devices, you can quickly go through the chapter 12. It's a second edition. So in second edition, chapter 12 is design memory and array structures. It's around 80 page chapter, but I think you can finish it in 2 days if you have the basic knowledge. You need to finish IC design first, and then you can go through this chapter exclusively. If your interviewer schedule very soon also, then also try to finish this chapter 2 only. Don't need to do any problem, just have the basic knowledge. And then if you are very serious about analog domain, then please buy this book also, hard copy. Soft copy may be available, but buy hard copy. And this is by our favorite professor Rajavi, and I have already suggested one course of him in for Rajavi. So he also taught everything from this book only. So if you have the hard book, you can easily practice the questions also. So you try to buy these 2 books. I'll link them in my description. I'll link all this course link also in my description below, so check them out. And please share this video with your friend who are interested in VLSI domain. Help them to know these courses. And if you want to thank me, then please press the like button. That really motivate me. And please comment down below like what topic next you want to see in this series of VLSI interview preparation. I will wait for you in my comment section. Thanks for your time. See you. Bye bye.